Crunchy Fat Clean friends, do you have stains on your clothes and you can't stand them and you want to get rid of them? There is an amazing all-purpose plant-based cleaner that will remove stains. Yes, Thieves Concentrated Cleaner can also remove stains off of clothing with no toxic, harsh chemicals. I put it in a little roller bottle and use it straight. I don't dilute it with water. I just roll it straight on the clothing, put it in the wash machine, and it comes out stain-free. Goodbye ketchup stains and barbecue stains and whatever other gunk, dirt, mud, whatever else my kids get on their clothes. Or me. You know, I'm human too. Thieves Concentrated Cleaner removes the stains. Amazing. It's just another thing that concentrated cleaner can clean. Everything, every surface. Don't believe me? Check out my thousands of pictures and videos showing how to use Thieves Concentrated Cleaner. And if you'd like a bottle, let me know. I'm a distributor. I can grab you some. Link down below. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.